This report is sponsored by Unbound.org.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
You're dealing with delays right now on 295 North. There's a crash and police activity on the off-ramp to 95 North in Attleboro. And 95 North is also busy between Route 123 and 295 because of it. I'm Jackie Murphy on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Right now, there are young people across the world facing a tough choice. Continue their dream of education or drop out to help their family put food on the table. You can help change their future in a single moment. See how far your support can go at Unbound.org.
Okay, world, I'm ready for this.
More wine, madam?
A bit of film music. That was Romance from The Adventures of Robin Hood by Eric Korngold. And Russell's Philharmonic there was led by Stefan Denis.
Down. Trade assistance, 0% financing.
I'm Olivia Waring. It is 12:05 on the nose and time for the quote of the day. So I gotta confess, I'm something of a chronic procrastinator, so this quote is a little intimidating, but valuable nonetheless. Here it is. A man who dares to waste 1 hour of time has not discovered the value of life. Ooh. And which great 19th century scientist said that? Was it Louis Pasteur, Michael Faraday, or Charles Darwin? Here's your quote again. A man who dares to waste 1 hour of time has not discovered the value of life. And your choices are Louis Pasteur, Michael Faraday, or Charles Darwin. I'll let you think about that, and I'll be back in 2 minutes.